Gujarat has the maximum of 12 cities among the top 50. जो 50 है प्रथम श्रेणी में है, उसमें से 12 शहर गुजरात में है। और उसके बाद मैं सबसे ज़्यादा प्रसन्न हूं, कारण क्या है, जो जिसको हम लोग कहते थे पहले बीमारू स्टेट, पिछड़ा प्रदेश, ऐसी मध्य प्रदेश 11 शहरों में अभी प्रथम श्रेणी में आया है। और आंध्र प्रदेश 8 cities they have also improved. Tamil Nadu and Telangana account for 4 each. Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Sikkim and Uttar Pradesh account for 1 each in this group. While the competition for a place of top 50 was intense, the same is not the case in respect of bottom 50 cities, with Uttar Pradesh alone accounting for 25, that is half of them. This is an unfortunate situation. Rajasthan and Punjab have 5 cities each in the bottom 50, followed by Maharashtra with 2 and 1 each from Haryana, Karnataka and Lakshadweep. Of the 62 surveyed in UP, 41 of them figured among the bottom 100. And this is a matter of concern. मैं और मेरा सचिव और अन्य हमारा पदाधिकारी हम सब लोग उत्तर प्रदेश जा रहे। कारण क्या है, वहाँ नया सरकार आया। उत्तर प्रदेश प्रगति के संदर्भ में, अमल के संदर्भ में बहुत इलाके में पीछे है। और उत्तर प्रदेश माने 1/6 of the country है। 1/6 of the country is उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश is equivalent to at least 6-7 Pradesh. So without developing Uttar Pradesh, you cannot think of developing the country. Keeping that in mind, we are all going there tomorrow to hold discussions. Some of my officers have already left for Lucknow today. They will be having intense discussion with the counterparts for the implementation of the central schemes, including Swachh Bharat also. Because the population is more and the state is big and the challenge is big, we have decided to focus on that. However, one thing in Uttar Pradesh, one positive thing is Varanasi is a success story by improving its rank to 32 among the 434 cities this year from 418 in 2014. 2014 में 418 स्थान पे था वाराणसी। और इस 2 साल में काफ़ी वहाँ स्थानीय लोगों ने मेहनत किया, इसलिए वो 32वां स्थान पे पहुँच गए 32. And the 22 place in this year among the 72 million plus cities from 65 in 2016. पहले 65th place में था, अभी 22nd place में आया. Further to analysis, our analysis, the survey data sanitation scenario in Bihar, in Rajasthan, in Punjab and Kerala also appear to be a matter of concern. In Kerala made a lot of progress in the rural, but the urban is yet to really improve. It's a matter of concern because Kerala is supposed to be a clean state. Appear to be a matter of concern requiring these states to set up efforts. In respect of Bihar, out of the 27 cities surveyed this year, 19 of them are ranked beyond 300. And the best ranks for the state being 147th place for Bihar Sharif. 15 cities are among the bottom 100. ये स्थिति बिहार के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. वहाँ भी प्रदेश सरकार और केंद्र सरकार मिलके इस विषय के ऊपर ध्यान देना चाहिए. आने वाले दिनों में हम लोग पूरा टीम बिहार भी जाने वाले हैं. In case of Rajasthan, 18 of the 29 cities are ranked beyond 300 and 13 among the bottom 100. Best rank that the state could get is 171 for Burdi. This is also a matter of concern. In Punjab, 7 out of the 16 cities surveyed figure among the bottom 100, with the best ranking being 121 for SAS Nagar. Friends, the whole purpose of conducting the sanitation always is not to finger point on anyone. This is only to make the cities know where they stand in respect of cleanliness. वो कहाँ है आज भविष्य में कैसा आगे बढ़ना, वहाँ का स्थिति के सुधारने के लिए और क्या करना, जो प्रथम स्थान में, द्वितीय स्थान में, तृतीय स्थान में, नहीं तो कम से कम टॉप 50 में पहुँच गया, उन लोगों ने क्या किया है, उनका उदाहरण से कुछ सीखना और अपना इलाका में भी ऐसी योजना अमल करने के लिए प्रयास करना, यही मुख्य उद्देश्य है ये स्पर्धा के लिए। ये और किसी को थोड़ा कम दिखाने के लिए, किसी को ऊंचा दिखाने के लिए हमारा मकसद नहीं है। इसलिए मित्रों, this is only to make the cities know where they stand in respect of cleanliness and also in comparison to other cities. I am sure every state and city government is keen to ensure cleanliness for the benefit of citizens. Towards the end, let me share the feedback that I received from none other than the media persons, and some of them are among the gathering today. Last year, about a dozen media persons visited Visakhapatnam to cover the BRICS conference and stayed there for 2 days. They told me that they were surprised by the very high level of cleanliness in the city of Visakhapatnam. Last week, another senior journalist on returning from Varanasi met me and I asked about the situation. She told me that there is a visible improvement on the ground. The citizens' feedback that we talked about earlier and the feedback I received from media persons is a clear pointer to Swachh Bharat Budge being translated into action on the ground. But we have still to cover a lot of ground. With the construction of toilets largely on course, the focus over the next 2 years would be on the solid waste management. Now, let me come to the moment. The Swachh Sarvekshan, what are the criteria and methodology? आप में बहुत लोग इच्छुक होंगे स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण का क्या पद्धति आप लोगों ने अपनाया। The Swachh Sarvekshan 2017 commissioned by the Ministry of Urban Development during January-February 2017 aimed at capturing the improvement in sanitation scenario, primarily based on making cities and towns open defecation free and improvement in processing of municipal solid waste. Accordingly, it is outcome oriented. Criteria and weightage for different components of sanitation related to aspects used for the survey are: A. Solid waste management, including door-to-door collection, processing and disposal. That is the criteria A. ODF status, 45% of the total 2,000 marks. 2,000 is the total marks. Out of that, open defecation free is given 45%. That is 900 marks. Second, B, citizens' feedback, 30% of the 600 of total marks. 2000 में 600 marks जनता का जो feedback था उसको दिया weightage. C, independent observation, 25%. That is 500 marks. Quality Council of India, which conducted the survey, deployed 421 assessors for on-the-spot assessment of 17,500 locations in 434 cities and towns. Another 55 persons regularly monitored the survey process in the real time. Field inspection resulted in evidence-based reports on the cleanliness situation with assessors using geotagged devices. Geotagged. That is going to be the order in the future. The seeing is believing. So it has to be geotagged, everything that is reported to have been done. Friends, now let me come to the moment that you are all waiting. India's top 10 clean cities are, as per the survey, as per the pyramids fixed. India's top clean cities are ranked number 1, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. पहला स्थान मध्य प्रदेश का इंदौर शहर को मिला है। रैंक नंबर 2 भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश, वो भी मध्य प्रदेश को। रैंक नंबर 3 विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश। रैंक नंबर 4 सूरत गुजरात। रैंक नंबर 5 मैसूर कर्नाटका। रैंक नंबर 6 तिरुचिरापल्ली तमिलनाडु। रैंक नंबर 7 न्यू दिल्ली म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल, नेशंस कैपिटल territory of India. Rank number 5, Mysore, Karnataka. Rank number 6, Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. Rank number 7, New Delhi Municipal Council, National Capital Territory of Delhi, NDMC. Rank number 8, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rank number 9, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Rank number 10, Vadodara, Gujarat. I have to call the bottom 10 cities. Number 1, Gonda, Uttar Pradesh, 434. Gonda, Uttar Pradesh, bottom say, 434 rank. Bhusawal, Maharashtra, 433. Baga, Bihar. Baga, Bihar, 432. Hardoi, Uttarakhand, 431. Katihar, Bihar, 430. Bahraich, Uttar Pradesh, 429. Muktasar, Punjab, 428. Abohar, Punjab, 427. Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, 426. Kurja, Uttar Pradesh, 425. So that is the findings of the survey. Before I conclude, let me elaborate on an important issue that all of you might be interested. As all of you know, Mysore was ranked top in the previous 2 surveys, and this year it ranked 5th. This does not mean that cleanliness in the city has declined or the city government scaled down its efforts. Surveys this year and last year were conducted on the basis of marks of 2,000 for various sanitation-related components. In both these surveys, Mysore scored over 87%. This shows that there is no decline in sanitation level from the last year, and it's that 4 new cities scored better than Mysore. You have not slipped, but others have overtaken you. That's one point that has to be kept in mind. Friends, today we are happy to reward the efforts of 38 cities and towns for their good performance at the national level, at the zonal level, at different categories. I once again compliment all of them. And this regional, there is one more what do you people, TV people call as breaking news. Happy confirmation just now received of the improved sanitation is that travel and tourism competitive index for India has increased by 12 places, further to a positive change in cleanliness. This is the world level. Travel and tourism competitive index for India has increased by 12 places, further to a positive change in cleanliness. Still, we have to go a long way. Keep that in mind. And then, zone-wise also we have winners. They will be called onto the dais. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and guidance. The report of Swachh Sarvekshan 2017, including the highlights of the survey, awards and ranks of the 434 participating cities have been summarized in the report, which will now be formally released by the Honorable Minister. We have developed a dashboard to make these results available in the public domain and also for cities to access their component-wise performance so that they are able to chalk out their future roadmap for improvement and sustainability. I now request the Honorable Minister to formally launch the dashboard. क्लीनेस्ट सिटी। मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूँगा मेयर इंदौर श्रीमती मालिनी लक्ष्मण सिंह गौड़, कमिश्नर श्री मनीष सिंह, रोहन सक्सेना, श्री मलय श्रीवास्तव प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी, श्रीमती मंजू शर्मा स्टेट मिशन डायरेक्टर, श्री आशीष श्रीवास्तव रेसिडेंट कमिश्नर। वो आए स्टेज पे और माननीय मंत्री जी के कर कमलों से पुरस्कार ग्रहण करें। इंडिया सेकंड क्लीनर सिटी इज भोपाल, द सिटी ऑफ लेक्स। भोपाल से मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा मंच पे मिस्टर आलोक शर्मा मेयर और मिस छवि भारद्वाज म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर। वो स्टेज मिस्टर आलोक शर्मा, मिस छवि भारद्वाज म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर टू रिसीव द अवार्ड। एमपी से बोल दिया ना, एडिशनल कमिश्नर श्री एमपी सिंह, Visakhapatnam is ranked the third cleanest city in India. We have with us Mr. Hari Narayan, Commissioner, Mr. GVS Murthy, Additional Commissioner, and Mr. Praveen Kumar, Special Officer, Mr. D. Mulida Reddy, Mission Director, Swachandra Corporation. I request all of them to come and receive the award. अनिता आर्या, ठीक। सूरत इज रैंक द फोर्थ क्लीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इंडिया। हमारे साथ हैं आज मेयर श्रीमती अश्मिता बेन शिरोया, म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर श्री तेनारासन एंड श्री पूनम चंद परमार, एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी अर्बन डेवलपमेंट। मैं अनुरोध करूंगा कि आप स्टेज पे आएं और माननीय मंत्री जी के कर कमलों से अवार्ड ग्रहण करें। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट Mysore has been ranked the fifth cleanest city of India. From the Mysore team we have Mr. M.G. Ravi Kumar, Mayor, and Mr. Jagdisha G, Commissioner. They will come to the stage to receive the award. Next in line is Faridabad. Faridabad is the fastest mover among million-plus city in India. National level awards. Faridabad has moved from 379 rank in 2014 to 88th rank in 2017. मैं अनुरोध करूंगा मिस सुमन बाला मेयर, मिस सोनल गोयल कमिश्नर and श्री आनंद मोहन सरन प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी अर्बन डेवलपमेंट to receive the award. Next in line is Tirupati. Tirupati is the cleanest city in India in the 2 to 10 lakh population category. We are joined by Shri P. Pradyumna, Collector of Chittoor District, and Shri Vinay Chand, former Commissioner. They will come to the stage to collect the award. Yes. Congratulations. Thanks. Next Next in line is Rewa. Rewa is being awarded as the fastest mover city in the 2 to 10 lakh population category. Rewa has moved from 397th rank to 38th rank this year. We have with us Ms. Mamta Gupta, Mayor, Mr. Karamveer Sharma, Commissioner, and Shri Rahul Jain, District Collector, Rewa. May I request them to come to the stage to collect the awards. Next is Ambikapur. Ambikapur is the cleanest city under the 2 lakhs population category. We have with us Dr. Ajay Kumar Tirki, Mayor, Love Kush Singrol, Municipal Commissioner, and Dr. Rohit Yadav, Special Secretary, Urban Development. आप कृपया मंच पर आएं और अवार्ड ग्रहण करें. नहीं है सर. बोल दिया. कर दिया सर. Next is Khargone. Khargone is the fastest moving city with population less than 2 lakhs. Khargone has moved from 367th rank to this year to 17th rank. मैं request करूंगा श्री निशिकांत शुक्ला, कमिश्नर, विपिन कुमार गौड़, चेयरमैन, अशोक वर्मा, कलेक्टर खरगोन मंच पर आएं और अवार्ड ग्रहण करें. Yeah, I've already told in Khargone. Next in line is.
तो आप ये देख रहे हैं सीधा प्रसारण नेशनल मीडिया सेंटर से, जहां आज देश के विभिन्न शहरों की स्वच्छता रैंकिंग जारी की गई है.